Welcome back to another new video. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Xiaomi is rumored to be releasing its highly anticipated smartphone, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max. We'll take you through the leaked specifications, design, camera, and more. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like. Let's get started. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max is set to be a game-changer in the smartphone industry. With an expected release date soon, it's already generating buzz among tech enthusiasts. Rumor has it that it will come with a stunning 6.73-inch LTPO OLED display, boasting a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for immersive gaming and smooth scrolling. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Max is said to feature a sleek and premium design, with a glass front protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The back may come in two variants, ceramic or silicone polymer, adding a touch of elegance and durability. Weighing around 215 grams to 229 grams, it promises to be comfortable to hold. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Max is rumored to have a groundbreaking camera setup. On the back, it might sport a triple camera system, headlined by an impressive 200 megapixels primary sensor with a wide f1.9 aperture. Alongside this, there could be two 50 megapixel sensors, one for telephoto and another for ultrawide shots, providing versatile photography options. For selfie enthusiasts, the phone is rumored to boast a 32 megapixels front camera, ensuring you capture stunning selfies and enjoy video calls with crystal clear quality. Powering the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max could be the mighty Qualcomm SM8550 Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. With an octa-core CPU configuration and the Adreno 740 GPU, this phone promises exceptional performance for gaming and multitasking. It's also rumored to come in 3 RAM options: 8GB, 12GB, and a whopping 16GB. Storage options might include 256GB and 512GB, giving you ample space for all your files and apps. Running on Android 13 with MIUI 15, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Max is expected to offer a smooth and feature-rich user experience. But that's not all. It's said to pack a massive 6000 mAh non-removable LiPo battery. And the cherry on top? With 120W wired charging, you can get a full charge in just 19 minutes, as advertised. Connectivity-wise, this phone could support 5G, making it future-proof for fast and reliable internet connectivity. Other features include Wi-Fi 802.11a, B per gram, N, AC, 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, GPS, and more. Plus, it's expected to have an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, proximity sensor, gyro, compass, barometer, and even a color spectrum sensor, making it a comprehensive package for tech enthusiasts. Although the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max is still a rumored device, the leaked specifications and features have us incredibly excited. From its stunning display and camera capabilities to its powerful performance and fast charging, this phone promises to be a game-changer in the smartphone market. As for the rumored prices, it's expected to be around $330 USD, which is quite reasonable considering its high-end specifications. That's all for now. We hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into the upcoming Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max. Stay tuned for the official release, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.